careful. Wait. Oh.
Just do it, girl. It's worth it. We're gonna pick each other's ice cream flavor. I don't want this.
I don't like that one.
Rise and shine, snoring heads. Oh. Yo, I heard y'all snore from across the room with my TV on. I dreamt that today was pouring and then I got into a car accident. But it wasn't with you guys. I started doing acting stuff with people and this girl drove the car into a freaking school. And then I decided to quit acting. Mila got 2 hours of sleep.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Damn, I slept so well.
Yeah, y'all are driving. We didn't sleep well. So me and Mila actually slept in this room. Wow! Here comes the sun. Doo 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 doo. This is our breakfast.
You make it sound like so sad.
Peanut butter with bananas. And we're gonna pack some snacks on the road. We got apples and these protein bars. Wow. Another day in the Finger Lakes. So today we're going to Letchworth State Park, which is like another 2-hour drive from where our Airbnb is, but Angela told me about it and then told us about it and then I looked it up and it's beautiful. So I'm really excited. We made it!
State Park.
America's #1, baby. Mila, what do they say about Letchworth?
Oh, it's the Grand Canyon of the East.
My mask be matching my bag.
Sorry.
Oh my god. Oh, I need a new camera, but oh my god. Holy moly. I am in love.
They're too busy.
There's 3 falls. Upper, middle, lower. Take the easy way or the challenging way?
Or the highway.
You go, Soyoung. I'm scared. How is it?
10 out of 10?
Oh my god, oh my god. Holy. I'm literally moving 1/4 of a step at a time. Wow, Mila, you were just right behind me?
Yeah.
I couldn't even hear anything. That took a lot of concentration.
We made it.
Taking a mid-break with some apples. So we saw the middle part of the fall, or the middle falls, and now we're going to the lower falls. And we're about to be there. So we're kind of muddy. Oh my god. Oh no! Hello from the other side.
Falls number 2.
Would you rather walk on this edge than the mud?
Princess right here.
Wait, she can go through that.
Oh yeah, you're on your own. Careful.
Mila, be careful.
Okay, I've been on the log before. Mila, careful. Wait. Oh.
She got yelled at. Oh my god, I really don't want to do this.
You got this.
But we're doing it. Oh my god, my thighs. After 3 hours of hiking, we have finally reached the upper falls. Goodbye. Beautiful thing.
Alright, thank you. Thank you.
You order some wieners for lunch. Late lunch. FLX Wienery. Took a nice nap in the car. I was so dead after that hike. Oh my gosh, that tired me out. We're in this nice small town. Gonna get some wieners. We came to this place because Mila won the rock, paper, scissors shoot last night to decide which place we're gonna go for lunch.
See the shoe.
Oh, that place.
Oh, the wienery.
So here we are. We all got the sauerkraut. What?
Bratwurst.
What?
Bratwurst.
Bratwurst. Looks hella good.
Oh, this is the...
I love fried onions. We're here. It's 4 o'clock and it's still packed.
Water energy continues. Ooh, water energy? That's me.
Oh, me too. Water energy. Water signs.
No wonder I Pinterested this.
Everywhere I travel to, I always get postcards and magnet. I collect these as my travel souvenirs. Oh my god!
Knock it off! These guys up there are dropping rocks down.
Wow. Mila, how do you feel finally coming here?
Oh my god, I'm so excited. It's like one of my bucket list items.
Ah, that's exciting. Look at these rocks. Look at the texture. Oh my god. Look at the curve. It's a beautiful curve. The view just gets better and better and we don't know what to do with ourselves. Wow. I don't know what this means. Blessed by the spirits. I want to swim in there.
It's so interesting how like the shape.
The shape, yeah. I just came to a realization that you don't see it now, but I saw it before. You always see people's name initials carved on the rocks, but you rarely ever see them doing the carving. Mind blown.
I just want to jump in there.
Me too. Just do it, girl. It's worth it. I have been waiting to go past this. Oh, puddle. Oh, my feet is wet. Trying to get a group photo like.
So I can tell them the angle.
Beautiful. We ran into one of our friends from college.
I didn't even know what's the first one. I recognize your head.
What? What are the odds? Like, what are the odds? Imagine I run into one of my exes right now. Yo, this cloud looks like it is about to thunderstorm.
Get the F out of Watkins Glen.
Yes.
Enough with the pictures and the vlogging. Get out of here.
Pew.
There's baby one.
There's so many.
Tiny one.
Oh!
Do that.
Angela?
You gotta fix this.
Oh, look at the clouds.
Close
Oh,
your
my legs
eyes
are shaking.
and put your feet together. And close your eyes.
It's shaking.
Everyone's like.
We're getting some ice cream. It's called Parody Ice Cream Co. We're stretching our legs out after the hike. So we decided, well, Andrew's idea, we're gonna pick each other's ice cream flavors. So like us three would decide what Mila would want.
I love banana chocolate flavors.
I think me and Andrew like weird flavors, like something we haven't tried before.
Yeah, that's true.
That's so cute.
Are you ready for retirement?
Chai? There's chai? I love chai, guys. I want to know what bittersweet is.
That too. Instead of vanilla, we'll get French vanilla. Bulldog.
Bulldog crunch for soya.
Okay. Yeah. Soya, come.
Yeah. Let's get her. I feel like let's get her the Nutty Professor. Yeah.
Okay, done.
Nutty
Alright.
Professor.
Alright.
Okay. Mila. One chai chai. Bye. Chai chai again. Okay. I go.
That was fast.
They're discussing mine now. We were so secretive about our order. Can we have a
And go back to the back.
Yeah, I feel like we got each other once that like we don't even know what the heck it is.
But if I got banana, I will be a little bit upset.
You say you wanted banana.
Well, everyone else chose interesting things. Like, I want to fit in.
Would you be happy if you got vanilla?
Oh, hell yeah.
Oh,
Okay, how do we know which one's which?
yeah, I don't know which is which.
Yeah, this tastes like chai.
That's Mila's.
Oh.
I love this. What is this?
Right?
I think that's soyance.
No, I don't think so.
Maybe that's soyance.
I think that one's yours.
Ew! I don't want this.
I like this one. What is that?
I like that one.
What is
I wonder what it is.
I want to try this one.
Tastes like cookie dough.
Oh, I love this one. It tastes like Indian chai.
The
I think this is Angela's. This is nutty.
This one is pretty Oh, this is chocolatey. No, this has nothing here.
Let's just all share then.
What
I guess
would you
people-
have gotten?
Vanilla.
Or coffee. What would you have gotten? We thought about coffee.
Yeah, I would try banana.
What the? You were just so mad if we got you banana.
I don't know. That's like a lot of the flavors you don't know what's in there. Like Happy Trails, what's even in there?
What would you have gotten?
Pumpkin praline.
Oh yeah. I think I would have debated between chai or some weird name one. Alright, we're looking at what it actually is and we found the description. So Happy Trails is this one. I would not have liked that one at all.
I like the second.
I would not have liked that one.
Okay. The Nutty Professor. Oh,
Vanilla.
that's that one. Vanilla.
Bourbon,
Yes.
oh, bourbon caramel brown pieces.
I don't like that one. So far we've done a bad job. Bulldog. Praline favorite ice cream, caramel soy and chocolate covered. That's my favorite.
Oh my gosh.
I knew it.
Oh, so that's Soyoung one. So,
Did not like that one. That I told you. I said.
and then Mila does not like the chai.
You don't like this one?
No. That's
I was gonna say I saw the bulldog one.
We're back in the cabin. For dinner tonight, we're gonna just have ramen. Neo curry.
That cursive looks
No booty.
No goody. 잘 먹겠습니다.
Yeah, whatever.
We got ramen, we got some homemade kimchi. We got some spring lettuce
for health.
For health. Paper, scissors for dishes.
Just once?
Just once. Two losers.
Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh, so I lost.
Loser. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Damn it.
It works out.
Yeah, I guess it does work
we did it
out.
yesterday.
Oh yeah.
See, it is. I'm telling you, always gotta listen to that. It's fate. It's that time of the night to get lit. Alright, guys, we just played Truth or Dare. Really juicy. We said some stuff. Enough said.
Feelings may or may not have been hurt.
Yeah, true. Good morning. The last morning in the cabin. We have a lot of stuff planned to do just around the Ithaca area. We're gonna go see some waterfalls, more waterfalls, hit up a farmers market, get food and make sandwiches, drink some chai.
It's a little nippy today.
Just being on this tiny dock.
And then
You eating a sandwich. I got too scared sitting over there, so I came up here. Goodbye, cabin. Thanks for having us. Still chasing waterfalls. The color looks nicer today. On the rocks, literally in between the mountains. Cute. Little fishies. We're gonna get copyrighted because our voice is so beautiful. Oh no, not enough rain. That's like barely any. My mask at the park, so everyone else is going to the farmers market while I go back. Low-key sad about it, but I just got the mask, so I want the mask. It took me a long time, but I found it. I had to call them asking where it was. I made it. I have no idea where everyone is, but I'm just gonna walk. There's a huge line. So cute in here.
Did you find it?
Yeah, I found it.
Yay, you made it! Do you want one?
Yeah. Wicked, sweet, perky. I asked for sweet and perky.
Hello. Cute.
Aww, this made my day. I love wood so much. Got some honey.
At max capacity inside of the pavilion.
Yes, yeah. That's good for you.
It is good.
Yeah.
I'll take it when I can get it. Right.
I got apple cider. We all got hot apple cider. We got apple cider donuts. Cheers. Down. They're not too like wheelie. You know what I mean?
I like it. Yeah, they're kind of light.
Right?
Yeah.
What the? Oh my god. It did not look like this on Google Pictures. I guess there hasn't been enough rain these days, so it's literally just rocks. It's probably the most difficult hike we've been on yet. It is pretty here. Okay, Buttermilk, I see you. Wow. This area looks like a storybook. Oh. This looks so peaceful. Question of the day. Can you guys walk down the stairs without looking at the stairs? I feel like I always have to look down when I'm walking down. Because if I don't, I feel like I'm gonna fall. We got sandwiches from Ithaca Bakery. I got a veggie burger on focaccia. Back at the ice cream place, picking our own ice cream flavors this time. I got the chai chai again because it was so good, and pumpkin praline. Flavors of our choosing. Pumpkin and chai together.
It all tastes familiar.
Oh my god. It's so good. Bye, Ithaca. Thanks for having us.